What's going on, guys? It's your boy Fizzy back again with another video. Today I thought we'll do another unboxing video for you guys, because you know unboxing videos are popping up right now. So today I thought we'll just do a unboxing video. Right here I got Cyborg from Justice League. If you guys haven't seen the movie, go check it out. It's lit. So I just picked this guy up from the shop. Again, $20, pretty pricey. So yeah, this is the front of the box right here, guys. Sorry for the background noise. Here is the side of the box, and there is my creeper. So yeah, there's Steve over there. So, and guys, you gotta do that right now. We're on the road to 60 subscribers. Subscribe right now. Just do it. Just do it. And yeah, if you guys want to see my other pops, they are right there. Yeah, it's not the biggest collection, but I'm working on it. So anyway, here's the side of the box, number 209, Cyborg right there. Turn it over. We got Batman, Aquaman, Wonder Woman, so I need to get the focus. And then we got Wonder Woman right here, Superman, Flash, Cyborg, which I got right there. This side of the box, right there. Sorry guys, it's got a lot of gas on me right now. On top, DC. Bottom. You know how it goes down in this channel. Hope you guys know how it goes down. So let's just unbox this. Bye-bye. Okay, if I can. Remember, I'm unboxing it with my left hand. Here's what it looks like in the container. You guys probably don't want to see this, but here's what it looks like outside the box. Leave that over there. And here is Cyborg. Pretty cool figure for us, me. It's all silvery, is the word. It's got his little headset right there, laser eye. I think it's a really pretty cool pop. $20, pretty pricey, but you know, that's the price in here in Australia. If you go to America, I think they're like $12 per pop. So it's kind of, I didn't get why like us Australians don't like. Sorry if the dog's barking over there. Yeah, so hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, make sure to smash the like button. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Also, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the like button. Do that, and see you guys later. Whee!